Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on an Asus X553MA laptop. I'm going to show you how to safely open it up and access your internal battery. So first thing I want you to do, guys, power down your computer, make sure it's off and unplugged. We're going to flip it over to access the bottom case screws. Now we have quite a lot of screws here. We have 4 along the top, 4 along the bottom, and 2 near the middle. Once you've removed all those screws, we're going to flip the computer over and we're going to access this palm rest. We're going to take this palm rest off of our bottom case. You can grab it from up here on top of the keyboard and start wedging it out from there. You can also use a small flat pry tool and go all the way around to get the palm rest out from inside the bottom case. After you do that, guys, be very careful opening it up, because when you open your palm rest from off your bottom case, there's these 2 ribbon cables that are connected on the motherboard, your touchpad ribbon cable and your motherboard ribbon cable. So make sure you don't just rip your palm rest off, because you'll break these. These ports right here, it's a white port on the motherboard and a black clip that secures the ribbon cable in place. That black clip opens and shuts almost like a book cover. So what you want to do is be very careful with these. They're very breakable. And if you break that black clip, you may not be able to find a replacement. So what you want to do is put a small pry tool underneath that black clip, pop it up like a book cover to release the ribbon cable. Now, as a side note, if you guys need any help with tools or supplies, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, to my Amazon store. It'll give you some suggestions on things that I use in my shop. So after you've released both of those ribbon cables the same way, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. This is your battery right along the bottom here, right to the right of the fan, underneath your hard drive. This is your battery. There are 4 screws, one in this corner, and these 2 corners. And the battery plug right here, you're going to take a pry tool, and there's a metal bar on top. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but you can see it in your computer. There's 2 pieces here, one on the bottom and a skinnier one on top. You're going to take a pry tool and slide this one on top up toward the hard drive. And then that will release the battery plug. You just pull that straight up and out of the computer, and that will release. And that's how you get your battery out. Okay, guys, so that's the video. I hope it was helpful in getting into your computer and finding the component you were looking for. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated over time. If you do need to leave me a question, feel free. I try to answer those at least a couple times a day. Please remember to like and share if this video was helpful, if you think it could help someone else, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy little quick tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.